now this is on some parchment paper. You're going to take this parchment paper and fold this, push it over with the dough on it. Then kind of like peel the dough off of the parchment paper that you have sprayed with some non-stick cooking oil. Then you're going to come and do this other side the same way. Just fold it over. Okay? And you just peel it back because you've sprayed it. Now you have like this big burrito. And what you're going to do is pinch this burrito gently together. And if you see any holes, kind of like pinch those together because we don't want this to come open. We want all our stuff to stay inside. And then on the edges, you just want to push those down. Just like that. Just pushing it down and it'll seal it. Keeping everything inside. Just like this. Just like that. And you're going to let this dough sit out for about 10 minutes to get room temperature. See how that's closed in? And once this is closed in, we're going to take a knife and we're just going to make some slits. And this is going to let the steam release out of this. Just not all the way to the bottom, just a couple little slits on the top. Just like that. So it won't explode on you. Just some little holes. Okay, once that's done, you got some little slits in it. And we're going to take this egg wash. We did 1 egg and just brush it over the top. All the way. We got our oven preheating at 420 degrees. Okay, once that's done, then we're going to take our Italian seasoning and we're just going to sprinkle it over the top. Okay, just a little bit. Once that's on the top, just like this, and we're going to put this in the oven until it's golden brown.